morning, students. History, Unit 4, the world after the World War II. Today, I am going to complete this lesson. Students, listen here carefully. The continuation of the world after the Second World War. European Union. The Maastricht. It is in Netherlands. The European Union where? European Union. Many European countries joined as a member in the European Union. Many countries joined as a member. These member countries, treaty were concluded during that period of 1992. All the European Union countries joined together and formed the European Union and created the European Union noted. This sign known as euro. Euro eliminates the foreign exchange. The European Union replaced the national currency. Replaced the national currency. Foreign currency converted into national currency. Today, European Union, there are 28 member countries at present in the European Union. 28 member countries. These 28 member countries headquarters at Brussels in Belgium. Brussels in Belgium. Note it. Fall of Berlin Wall. Listen here carefully, students. Germany was divided into two. One is the West Germany, another one is the East Germany. The standard of living is different. The West Germany and East Germany is there now. Both the standard of living is difference is there. The West Berlin standard of living is very high. The economy was very developed in West Berlin. Developed. Economy was developed. And East Berlin economy was lower in a position. Lower in a position. The East Berlin people were suffered a lot and their lack of freedom also in East Berlin. So, East Berlin people migrate to West Berlin because of West Berlin was well versed in economy. So, all the people in East Berlin migrated to West Berlin, noted. West Berlin, after that, West Berlin thought that fear of Soviet attack in West Berlin and take over the West Berlin. They thought that, feared that. West Berlin feared that. Soviet Union take over the West Berlin. So, East Germany wanted to construct wall during the time of 1961. 1961, East Germany construct a wall, Berlin Wall. It is containing cut of the Berlin Wall, cut of the Berlin Wall. In between West Berlin, East Berlin and East Germany. West Berlin, East Berlin and East Germany. East Germany. In West Berlin, East Berlin and East Germany, they wanted to construct many people. The East German people, construct East German people, many people were accumulated and they wanted to construct the Berlin Wall containing in the countries like, in the places like West Berlin, East Berlin and East Germany. So, in 1989, most people assembled and they concluded a treaty. The Berlin's people, West Berlin, East Berlin and East Germany joined together and treaty were concluded. After the treaty, they wanted to demolish the Berlin Wall. Both sides of the Berlin Wall were demolished at that time. Both West Berlin and East Berlin people accumulated the both sides and demolished the Berlin Wall. So Germany, after that, Germany was united in 3rd October 1990. Germany was united because of the Soviet people were defeated during that time, backward in a position. The communism and capitalism were exist in Germany, both East Germany and West Germany. The collapse of Soviet Union, Cold War came to an end. Finally, the collapse of Soviet Union, Russia was defeated. So, Cold War came to an end, noted. Disintegration of the Soviet Union. Initially, Soviet Union was one of the powerful country, and also in the Cold War, both US and Russia were the powerful. They increased their army, armaments and all. First country is known as US, first developed country, first world country, and second world country known as Soviet Union. So initially Soviet Union economically strong. After that, the Soviet Union was collapsed, backward in a position, socially, economically, culturally, and politically backward in a position during that time. The Soviet Union was unable to match first world country. First world country, only one country, that is US was the first world country. It was one of the highly developed country. Second world country, Soviet Union, but finally not able to match the first world country. Russia was not able to match the first world country, noted. Mikhail Gorbachev. Mikhail Gorbachev was the head of the USSR, Russia. He was the leader of Russia. He spoke about the people of Russia like glasnost. Glasnost means openness. Openness means what? The openness means what, you know? He wanted to identify the ideals. He wanted to identify the ideals. The more and more ideas of the leaders came forward, and they wanted to develop the USSR, Russia. That is known as glasnost. Glasnost means openness. Openness for all. And they wanted to develop the USSR. That's why glasnost were spoken by the Gorbachev, Mikhail Gorbachev, the leader of Russia. And he spoke that perestroika. Perestroika means what, you know? Reform. Reform. What field you wanted to reform now? Socially, politically, economically, culturally. He wanted to develop Russia. That is known as perestroika. He wanted to reform the Russia. That is known as perestroika. Noted. GDP, gross domestic product. In 1980, the GDP of the Russia was very lower in a position. The total GDP, gross domestic product, going to military expenditure. More and more money wanted to invest military. So Soviet economy was, after some years later, Soviet economy was strained, backward in a position. So finally, the Soviet Union was unable to tackle economically. So finally, the Soviet Union was disintegrated. Thank you, students. This lesson over. Next class, I am going to take another new lesson. Thank you.